Number one, la famiglia di Pietro. Ragazzi, nonno.
C'è.
Number one, Pietro. Uno, due.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. Crying on my pillow, rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll
come and make soup. And this one is a sulfur soup for the allergic skin, like eczema. Dried lime, smoked lime. Use when we cook. You give a nice flavor. Hold, smell them, pass to the side. Smell and pass to the second side. Okay, between my hand is the alum after shaving, or like deodorant. Many of the women they use this one. You know, if you have a normal normal baby, to make it Botox. We collect from the trees like the sap. And here we call it masticar. Masticar in the Spanish language means mastication, chew. You're able to chew it, soak it like candy, or keep it in the water for several nights, dissolve and drink. It's for digestive system like constipation, acid gas. From Pakistan. And this one is sea salt. That we grind like a powder. And we mix with a pure honey. Do you know manuka honey? We mix it with manuka. 3 spoons a week, not a day. Natural Viagra. Why you love it? It is Viagra, but I don't know how to explain. Sorry. Gentlemen, do you know the honey pack? How do you know, Federico? They put the ingredient like a